Welcome to this GoBright functional configuration video covering time preferences. During this video we'll look at how you can change the time preferences for different offices. So let's have a look at that in more detail. If I was searching for a desk and I wanted to be at my Berlin office, then on a particular date we've got a start time that we can select and we have a duration that we can select as well. However, if I go to my Rotterdam office, you can see that that is now just for a morning, an afternoon or all day. So there's a change in the way we can actually book by the different time preferences. So we can control this by going into settings and work, and we have time preferences down on the left hand margin. If we just have the one office, then there's no problem at all. We'd just be choosing exact time, half day or all day. And with the half day we're choosing when we'd start the afternoon. So in this case we're 8:30 to 12:30, 12:30 to 5. What we've also got though is the tick box that we can make exceptions for one or more multiple locations. So you can see in this case we have Berlin selected as a multiple location and we've got that as an exact time. We've also got the Rotterdam office that is set as the half day, and so that we've got there the start of the day is 8:30, 12:30 and the end of the day is 10 o'clock at night. So the two offices are behaving differently for users who are going to book into that environment. So by using time preferences, it just allows the system administrators, when you're setting up this for the first time, to decide how you want people to actually book into the GoBright portal to secure their desk or parking space indeed. So please consider the time preferences and how you want your users to book onto the GoBright platform. Thank you for watching this GoBright functional support video. If further support is required, please go to our website gobright.com and visit our help centre.